Hello everyone, welcome to Home Plate Delights. For this Valentine's Day, I am going to show you how to make bright, colorful red and white heart-shaped cookies. Very simple to make, requires only a few ingredients. Although they take little time, they taste absolutely amazing. Trust me, the effort is totally worth it. Let's get started. I'm taking 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. Add pinch of baking soda, salt, strain it. See how nice and airy it looks? This process helps to make our cookies soft and perfect. In another bowl, add 1 stick of soft room temperature butter. Next add 3/4 cup of sugar. Beat it together for 2 to 3 minutes until the butter and sugar comes together nicely. Look at this beautiful creamy texture. This is exactly how it should look. Next I'm adding 1 egg, half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat it again for about 2 minutes. See how nicely everything is coming together, smooth and creamy. Now it's time to add dry flour. Let's add half of it. Mix it. Let's add remaining half. Mix it. So our dough is ready. Look at this soft dough, perfect consistency. Let's keep this in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the dough out and divide it into 2 portions. Take 1 portion of it and gently flatten it using your palm. Place the butter paper on top of it and roll it evenly. Repeat the same process for the second one as well. For the second one, sprinkle the red colored sparkling sugar evenly all over the surface. You can buy this kind of sparkling sugar in any grocery stores. Like pink color, you can make pink colored heart cookies. To help the sugar to get stick with the dough, let's roll it one more time using a butter paper on top of it. Let's cut the edges to get the nice rectangle shape. Wrap this and keep it in refrigerator again for 10 minutes. Next, let's cut the edges of red one to get nice rectangle shape. Cut the red one into 3 equal strips just like this. Now I'm cutting white one into 3 equal strips. Arrange them alternately, white strip, red strip. Place the butter paper on top of it and gently roll it again so all the strips stick together. Yes, it is time consuming, but the final look is absolutely beautiful. That will melt your partner's heart for sure. Trim the edges if needed. Cut the cookies using heart-shaped cookie cutter. If you are watching so far, I'm sure you are enjoying this video. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. That is a big encouragement. Carefully place them on the lined baking tray. Bake them at 350°F for 12 to 15 minutes. And here you go, beautiful red and white heart-shaped Valentine cookie. Look how pretty they are. Look at the edges. Perfectly baked. Let's plate them nicely for beautiful presentation. Surprise your loved one, share it with your kids. Have a lovely, wonderful Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for watching. See you on next video.